Okay, I want to move on and talk about Ketanji Brown, Judge Brown, and her nomination process for the Supreme Court, my friend.
Well, I think one is a truly historic and monumental moment, and I think that's gotten a little bit lost. But I'm glad to hear when I talk to, especially young people, that get a chance to see this, that they understand the enormity of the moment. What I see in Judge Brown's confirmation process is the fact that we've got to figure out how to fix this system, because what it's become now is that no matter your qualifications, no matter how well you've done, no matter how perfectly you've led your life, that everything seems to be falling on partisan lines. I hope to see a unanimous support or close to unanimous support for, but I think the reality is that you're not going to see that. And I think that we've got to be better than that. When you look at her qualifications, she's literally got the background that you would draw up. If you had a chance to draw up and say, okay, we need a new nominee, just don't talk about race, party affiliation or anything. These are things we want. We want somebody who's had extensive experience in private practice, somebody who's had experience in our criminal system, somebody who has been a judge in some capacity before, a federal judge. And now we're putting her here and has the educational background that you want. So it's disappointing in some senses to watch the process, to hear some of the questions. I think that this goes back to Joe's earlier point about the loss of civil discourse. I mean, there was a time where no matter how much I disagree, like I'd love to go back, for instance, to Judge Antonin Scalia's confirmation.
Well, it really started with Judge Bork and
yes,
Kennedy.
it did.
I mean, so let's be honest about that.